Hi guys, my name is Ina Olivia Lasa. I'm from Muhammadiyah University Jember. Here I want to review some snack. Come on. This is a choki choki. Let's open and try. The chocolate tasty is very sweet. Next guys, this is Superstar Snap. Let's open and try. It's crunchy, sweet, and yummy. Next guys, this is Kalpa. Let's open and try. The tasty is very tasty because there is coconut. Next guys, this is Bang Bang Max. Let's open and try. So big. The tasty is very sweet and the chocolate is melted. Next guys, this is a better sandwich biscuit. Let's open it and try. Sweet, tasty, and a lot of chocolate. Next guys, this is Astor chocolate. Let's open and try. Wow! It's very tasty and crunchy. Next guys is Kopiko candy. Let's open and try. The tasty is sweet and is suitable to load when relaxed. Next guys, this is a super keju. Let's open. It's so crunchy. Next guys, this is a kiss. Let's open and try. It's very sweet. Maybe that's all I can review. Thank you. Bye bye.